this is Young. So currently I'm in Shuangqiao Valley, which is probably the most beautiful place in Xiguanyangshan Park in Sichuan province in China. Right now it's 3,850 meters, but I think I've already sort of acclimatized, so I'm breathing sort of fine. But look how like puffed up this is. Today I want to talk a little bit about Mavic Air, but basically talk about 2 points that you really need to be mindful about when you're purchasing your new drone. But of course I'm not talking anything really negative. It's informative because I don't want to talk anything negative in such a beautiful environment like here. Don't get me wrong, I mean, I absolutely love my Mavic Air. My precious. And if you guys have been seeing my channel, I've already talked about why drone camera is the best camera for travel. So Mavic Air can be quite noisy, especially compared to Mavic Pro and also Phantom. I saw Phantom and Mavic Pro in this park and it was a teeny bit embarrassing when I fly my Mavic Air. So now I'm gonna switch over to the camera mic so you can actually hear the stereo sound. Luckily, people in China, you know, the motherland of DJI, they're quite forgiving when it comes to drones. So it is fine, and you always see some people flying drone in some, you know, big touristy places. Let's hear how noisy it is, and especially because it is sort of high-pitched noise as well. And if any newer drone says it's low noise propeller, then you should go for that one. And of course, the best way is to find a place where you're all alone. So right now we're at Molozi. I think I pronounced it right. So it's basically this area, like this pasture in between the mountains, all above like 5,000 meters, 6,000 meters above sea level. And here is the perfect spot for, you guys know what I'm gonna do, right? Usually I really find 3 batteries of Mavic Air just enough, but here is so beautiful and it's so grand that I actually have to go quite a bit of distances, and I wish I had more. So right now my drone is up in the air, and somehow somebody also started, I think probably Mavic Air by the sound of it, and my signal is getting sort of cut off at around like 200 meters, which is not that great. So I can't really fly further than this.
So to mitigate the signal problem, what you need to do is basically
just to move around a lot. I mean, at the end of the day, flying drone is definitely a diligent activity. I mean, whether you fly Mavic Air or anything else, you do want to move around so you get variety of shots. But of course, a lot of scenery can be captured with just camera, or you just need to, you know, look around and enjoy with your own eyes. So don't stress about flying a drone all the time, just enjoy where you are. If you can have the opportunity to fly drone, that's a bonus. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing drone shots from all around the world. See you!